three. Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own.
Hello mga Antikels! Welcome back! Ayan, finally naka-check-in na kami dahil akala namin mag-wait pa kami ng until 2 hours but pina-check-in kami ng maaga. So normally kasi dito pag check-in time 2 o'clock mga Antikels, so kailangan namin mag-wait but ngayon hindi na namin kailangan mag-wait. So andito na kami ngayon sa room, dito kami sa labas and we have a nice view. And wala kami nag-expect, hindi kami nag-expect kasi last year the room is not like this. It's a different room we have last year kay I think nag-upgrade sila. Ang bilis nilang naka-upgrade eh. But the price last year and now is ngayon it's more expensive compared last year. I think we paid last year 1,500 and now it's already 3,600 per night. Yung room nila is really amazing kasi last year walang window. So ngayon meron ng glass window. So makikita mo na yung view all the way to the beach and then yung view dito. So ang problema nga lang is we only stay here 2 nights and then in the next day we move to another room kasi nabook ko yung room. Nagkamali ako sa pag-book but it's okay. And yeah, this is so amazing. Sobrang ganda ng place, the view, and I think this is one of our favorite place or one of our favorite room or hotel dito sa Cutao area. First recommendation, big fish. And then lagi akong sinasabihan ni Mr. na I'm a big fish and you're a small fish. I'm working, doing my editing for you guys and hopefully na you guys enjoy for my vlog. This is really nice kasi ang dami nilang in-upgrade. Yung toilet, yung bed, yung decor sa room, naging aesthetic na siya dai. And also yung pag-decor talaga nila sa bed, mga Antikels. Parang nag-change talaga sila ng to the max. So we are going to the restaurant having breakfast ecstasy na ito yung kinakat-kat ko everyday. Everyday. So, dito lang tayo mag breakfast kay I'm not gonna eat a lot now. Kaya sayo pa kayo dahil. So, weather is nice. It's a beautiful day. Nice place, nice area, nice everything and nothing. And so look at the view ha, not my face. Ay, grabe pagka-face. Uy. Nice, dire oh. Maganda sana dito. Kaso lang, shadow. Dito tayo, be. Nice. So, this place, it's called Big Fish. And I'm a small fish. You are a big fish, and I'm a small fish. Zibadai. So, we have a nice view in front. Breakfasty. Nice bugambela oh. Kaso lang hina-harvest nila dahil nilalagay nila sa bed. And can you give me? There's a boat. Hi my love, good morning. What we have? Ay. Do they have a good iced cappuccino here? I wonder. I wonder why, I wonder how. Every mountain's that is that. I want only simple breakfast for now. Uy, hala, naa sila mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice ako. I'm gonna eat mango sticky rice because I'm craving that like weeks already. Meron akong actually nakain na mango sticky rice last time, but that was not really good. The sticky rice is not that really sticky. Ang sarap. My love, your English is very English. Yeah, because you want me to speak English, so now you have to understand my English is tumbling, you know. Tumbling around. My love, we should rent a yacht. Small yacht. Di na siya mo rent day kay mahal kay diri day among Roma Anticels. We paid 4 night 12,600 patay. Uy. So mga Anticels, I have something to share with you. Actually, my husband, he been here already like 10 times. No, more than 10 times. 7, 8 times. And then he always told me na the place it's changed rapidly. So sabi ko sa kanya na of course na you cannot keep the place the same because you know, like example, the hotel is a wood, so it will gonna kanang gabok in many 2 years, 3 years, but I don't think there's a lot of change, my love, since you've been here before. But the place is still good. That's what he can say. It's still the same, the area, and it's just the hotel and yung mga, alam mo yung may a lot of construction, new buildings, and all that. But the view, the hotel, and everything is still the same. My love. Pero ang babae, dili na the same. Ang not the same kay, ang kuan na lang, yung gidala diri day, yung dinala niya dito. So, tapos na kaming kumain. Ito tayo, buyang-buyan. Hola! Good evening mga Zay. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant. Nag-coffee lang kami. And si Mr. gusto niyang kumain ng dinner. So, ang ganda ng restaurant nila dito kasi may swimming pool. Not sure how loud is the music. So, yan yung restaurant. It's really nice. And may mga bata na liligo.
You wear